Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 5 power x plus 2 equal 120 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So we can write this as 5 power x times 5 power 2 equal 120 and 5 power 2 means 5 square, that is 25 equal 120. Now if I'll divide both sides by 25, so this will cancel out. So 5 power x equal 120. I can write it as 5 times 24 by 25. So 5 power x equal 5 times 24 by 25. I can write it as 5 times 5. So this will cancel out. So 5 power x equal 24 by 5. Now if I'll take log on both sides, so it becomes x log 5 equal log 24 by 5. We can write log 24 minus log 5. Now I am dividing both sides by log 5. So this will cancel out. So x equals log 24 by log 5 minus log 5 by log 5. So x equal log 24 by log 5 minus 1. Now 24 I can write it as 8 times 3. So x equal log 8 plus log 3 by log 5 minus 1. So x equal log 8 by log 5 plus log 3 by log 5 minus 1. This log 8 I can write it as log 2 cubed by log 5 plus log 3 by log 5 minus 1. So this becomes 3 log 2 with base 5 plus log 3 with base 5 minus 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next